Hello, this is my backyard garden. Organic farming, as you can see, it's a biodiversity. From here, you can see mango trees, pamplemousses, grapefruit, coconut. Then it goes, there we have greens and mulch, a lot of mulch, mint, the Moroccan mint. And look at the stones. We used everything recycled here, by the way. We didn't buy anything. Lettuce. Here's all the strawberries and guava tree, coffee tree, papaya, and here we have some wheat and guava tree again. Here we go, the strawberries, and you see the mulch. The mulch are helping a lot. It's flowering. We're going to have nice strawberries this year. And here we go, the mulch. Wood chips. Wood chips are very, very interesting. Taro leaves are very, very good. I didn't mulch this one. I was short of mulch, but I will do that soon. The lettuce, we have amazing the taste of the lettuce. You should try it. Organic food is unique in itself. And coyote plant, I just planted that a couple of months ago. It's growing, and I think I have to add some compost into it, mulching as much as I can, some flowers. The reason you put flowers is that it prevents a lot of insects to come, because when you have different colors of flowers, and that's how my little place where I put the seeds, a banana tree that was there before, and it got bananas in it, and the yard in the front. So we have cherry, a cherry tree, papaya. Oh, it got some papayas, and a more coyote plants, leaves. Hopefully you'll will get some this year. And the lettuce, oh my god, those lettuce are amazing. And have a funny story about it is I actually planted them on a fluke. They were throwing the seeds away, and I just put them in the soil, and when it became plants I transplanted them. And you will see I get so many water hyacinth that I use them as compost. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share. We are trying to encourage organic farming and help the environment. Good luck to all of you. Wish you all the best. And remember the channel DIY and gardening. Bye bye.